Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Dakota from St. Paul High School, Worcester, Mass. This video is for my geometry classes. Okay, if you're in my alpha and you just took the test, hopefully you did well on it. I do have all the grades in the grade book. If you have any questions or concerns, please come and talk to me about it, and we can have a conversation if need be. Okay, if you're in alpha, what I'd like you to be doing today is you're going to be reading in your textbook pages 127 to 130. In this section, which is very, very important, we talk about parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines, what it means to be parallel. Okay, lines that have the same slope, okay, and different relationships that are created when you have parallel lines. Alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, same side interior angles, adjacent angles, all that type of stuff, okay? So make sure you read pages 127 to 130. Make sure you copy all the diagrams. Okay, it's very important. That it's one thing to have the term, but if you don't have the corresponding diagram to go with that, it doesn't mean anything. So please make sure you copy the vocabulary term and the diagram that goes with that. Okay, so you can look and see how these relationships are formed and created. Okay, so make sure you copy all the diagrams with the vocabulary into your notebook. Make sure you copy all the theorems and postulates with the diagrams into the notebook. Okay, there's a lot of them in there, so this should take you a little while to go through and do this. So please make sure you have all that copied down. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me as always. Bravo! You haven't had your test yet. Your test is tomorrow. Well, depending on when you watch this, I'm filming this on Tuesday, but your test is scheduled for Thursday morning. Okay, I am available for extra help Thursday morning before the test. You're welcome to come up at any time. Just go to the office, check in, let them know that you're coming up so they can contact me to make sure I'm upstairs in my room. Anytime after 6:45 a.m., you're welcome to come on up if you need help, okay? The test is based off of the pre-test. I had a lot of people come up to me with concerns about things that are not on the pre-test, okay? If it was not on the pre-test, chances are, most likely, that it's not going to be on the test, okay? A couple different things that I wanted to put out there, some feedback after Alpha had taken the test, okay? Know how to name a plane correctly. Okay, the book gives you a couple different ways of doing that. That's one of the questions. Name this plane. Okay, make sure you know how to do that correctly. It should be in your notebook and it's in your textbook. Okay, some of these vocabulary terms, complement, supplement, collinear, coplanar, people are still struggling with them. Okay, there's not a specific vocabulary section. I asked you the working definition. So if I ask you, are these points collinear? Are these points and lines coplanar? In order to get that correct, you have to know what it means, okay? That's what I mean by working definition, okay? So make sure you know these terms, okay? Again, I'm available for extra help Thursday morning. Please study for this test, okay? The class average for A period was 77. Class average for C period was 85. And the class average for E period was 78, okay? Each question, depending on which class you're in, A and C is worth 2.85 points each. If you're in E period, they are 4 points each. Okay, please again, as always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you and have a good day.